Have you ever noticed these sculpture short videos with thousands of views? I'll teach you how to create these types of videos using free tools and apps, costing you nothing with just some simple practical techniques. But before we dive into this, please consider that if you want to use YouTube automation and create content with AI, you should be very careful and invest enough time and energy into it. Otherwise, you'll make the same mistake I made before, as I explained in my previous video. Now let's dive step by step into this. The first thing you should do is to find some good ideas for your YouTube shorts. There are tools and apps like vidIQ and Keyword Tool Dominator that offer some free features. However, the best way to find viral ideas is to open YouTube and search for the niche you're making videos about. Look for shorts with the most views and those published in the last 3 months. This means the video idea is hot right now. If you make a better video, it's more likely to go viral. After that, we need to write a script for our idea using ChatGPT. Use this prompt in the video description. This prompt is inspired by the famous scriptwriter George Blackman, who has collaborated with top YouTubers. Now that our script is ready, let's create some images for the video. Adobe Firefly offers 25 free credits per month, but that might not be enough if you want to post regularly. However, it's still the best image generator out there, offering plenty of options to customize your images just the way you want. For example, I'm looking to have Firefly generate modern sculpture faces. To start, I downloaded an image from Google to give Firefly the same style as reference. Then, I selected a close-up camera angle and added prompts like hyper-realistic effects to enhance the quality. I also picked muted color tones from the effects menu and chose a portrait 3.4 aspect ratio. Now we have our sculpture face. The second app you can use is Runway, which is free but doesn't have all the options available in Adobe Firefly. Now we need to remove the backgrounds from our images. For this, I use Photo Room, which is a free tool. You can also use Adobe Express. Now before we move on to the next step, editing in CapCut, we need to give our script to an AI voice generator. 11 Labs offers a free plan that includes 10,000 characters per month. You can also use PlayHT as an alternative. Now, let's edit our video. After importing all our files into CapCut, we'll use some techniques to make our video look more professional. First, import your generated voices and trim out all the pauses and empty sections. Then, download some backgrounds from Google or generate them in Firefly for the video, and add them to the editing toolbar. We need separated backgrounds and objects, so we'll use 2 techniques to make our videos professional: giving the video depth, called focal distance, and creating a simulated dolly zoom effect. Now add your generated sculpture to the edit bar and disable its visibility for now. We should enlarge the background to the end and add the first keyframe. If we divide the background into 3 parts, we add another keyframe at 2/3 and reduce the scale significantly. After that, as the background clip reaches the end, we reduce the scale again and add the final keyframe. Now we're going to do the same for the sculpture image, but instead of reducing the scale, we're going to increase it by just 10 to 20%. And now we've created a simulated dolly zoom. Now, it's time to add some elements to our video. Using websites like Vecteezy, which offers over 1 million stock graphics, including free stock videos and images, can add contrast to your video. In this case, I use a fiery sparks video. After adding it to the edit bar, I change the blend mode to screen. Then, to give depth to the video, I add a blur effect to the background and decrease the intensity to 10. You can also use other objects separately to enhance your video. And for the final step, we can utilize a free image editor, Photopea. This app is similar to Photoshop and is 100% free. That's it. Even with all these basic free tools, you can create good videos and monetize your channel. Just make sure to upload high-quality videos on YouTube. And if you want to learn how to write strong hooks, watch my previous video.